Ready to banish that messy room from your next Teams meeting? First, let's start with your typical Teams video call. See that background? Maybe not exactly what you want everyone to see. During a call, find the More Actions button, usually represented by 3 dots in your meeting controls, often at the top or bottom of your screen. Click on those dots. A menu will pop up. Look for the option that says Show Background Effects. Click it. A window will appear on the right side of your screen displaying background options. You'll see a blur option. It's usually the first chosen, has a blur icon. Click on the blur option to select it, and then hit the Apply button at the bottom of the background settings pane. And just like that, the magic happens. Your background is now beautifully blurred, keeping the focus right where it should be on you. You can also do this before a meeting. Before you join, the background effects option will be available on the screen, where you choose your audio and video settings. Alternatively, access these settings anytime via your profile picture. Then Settings, then Device, then scroll down to Background Filters. It's a game changer. Give it a try.